YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make Maggi. So this is how we are going to make Maggi. First you need a pan. Then we need a cup. And then we need to pour 1.5 cup of water. See? Next we're going to put the pan on the gas. Then we are going to put Maggi masala. So this is the Maggi masala. First I should keep it down. Then we're going to put some Maggi masala. Okay, let me finish this. Okay, next we're going to put 1 packet of Maggi. See? So now I am going to put the pan on the gas. Make sure you use an adult's help. Next we are going to put the lid on the pan. Then we will wait for some time and then Maggi, 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 hooray! Then Maggi. Maggi. So friends, don't trouble your mothers. You could also make it yourself. Then I am going to eat Maggi. Hooray! See friends, our Maggi is ready. Now we are going to taste it.